Hello, what's up everybody? RichyCustoms. I am back checking in once again with another video. Thank you to all my subscribers, and if you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe. You know the routine. That's how it goes. Anyways, today we are doing Gem Red custom up tempos. You know, like the 11s that came out, Gem Red, yeah, whatever. These are up tempos. Let's get started. We're going to acetone. Acetoning is step 1 to preparing the leather to be painted on. Remember to acetone the shoe lightly because you don't want to mess up the leather. You want to prepare it just right so the paint could adhere to it. Now I am about to tape the shoe. At some point I am going to get tired of hand painting the shoe, so I will transition into airbrushing. Come on, we all get lazy sometimes.
Check, and then I flex, yeah. They keep telling me that I'm up next, yeah. Super fly, take off in a jet, yeah. I don't have feelings, so don't show me love, yeah. I'm my neck, I do not love. On my neck and on my arm.
If you are wondering what I'm doing here, this is the point where I got tired of hand painting. So, of course, I have to tape up everything else because airbrushing, the spray will get everywhere, so I want to cover up everything that I don't want paint on, which is the bottom white part and the other white that I don't want paint on.
All the way to my bed falling over. Every time that you leave your spot, your girlfriend call me like come on over. I like the way that she treat me, gon' leave you, won't leave me, I call it that Casanova. She said I'm insane, I might blow my brain out. Hey, Johnny, all the pain out. Please, Johnny, make it go away. I'm committed, not addicted, but it keep controlling me. I love pain, I can feel it, I swear that it's slowing me. Yeah, I don't really care if you cry. I'm the way you should never lie. Saw the way she looked me in my eyes. She said I am not afraid to die. Yeah, on my razor dead. Put me to the edge. Yeah, on my razor dead. Yeah, put me to the edge. On my razor dead. Yeah.
So I did complete one shoe by hand painting it, but it took me entirely too long, so now it's time to airbrush. I am now spraying multiple coats. This will be the second coat on this shoe, but on both shoes the ending result will be 4 coats. Remember to spray light coats. You don't want them to be too thick. But if you like everything thick, I will not judge you. Do your thing, but I do not recommend airbrushing with thick coats because your paint will crack up as the end results. That kind of rhyme, that rhyme hard.
Fly, take off in a jet, yeah. I don't have feelings, so don't show me love, yeah. I'm my neck, I do not love. On my neck and on my arm. Ice up on my neck and arm. I don't have feelings cause everything's so numb. Take off in the jet, ballin' like a rat. Throwing up the threes, but I don't represent. Throwing up the P's, I'm on to the next. They been told me that I'ma be a superstar, yeah. I'ma floss on y'all. Wrist so dumb, I'm so numb. Need to sit in a thought. If you get wrong, I will draw. I know you wish you living like this. I'm in that whip like y'all. Living like this, ice on my wrist, ice on my yeah. I know you mad cause I be shining and you ain't. I don't want no kisses or hugs. Don't show me love, cause it's fake, yeah. Count on my check, and then I flex, yeah. They keep telling me that I'm up next, yeah. Super fly, take off in a jet, yeah. I don't have feelings, so don't show me love, yeah. I'm my neck, I do not love. On my neck and on my arm. Ice up on my neck and arm. I don't have feelings, cause everything's so numb.